Hey guys, in this video we will be looking at the reduced syllabus for the CBSE board class 10. So yeah, with no further ado, let's get started. Hey internet, what's up? I'm Aditya and you're watching One Stop Spot. So over the past 2 months, or wait, let's just say ever since the COVID-19 pandemic situation, there have been rumors that CBSE is going to cut down or reduce the syllabus for classes 9 to 12 because of this crisis situation. And yeah, the rumor turned true recently, or to be more specific, on the 7th of July, when CBSE actually released a bunch of papers. Well, this is just a part of the bunch, but yeah, they released the reduced syllabus for over 6 subjects along with extracurricular activities like PT and yoga. I don't know why they do it for yoga and PT. Anyways, do let me know about your thoughts on such a reduction in the comment section below. And in this video, we will be looking at 4 subjects that is common to many people and are main subjects, that is math, science, social sciences or social studies, and English. So yeah, let's jump into the syllabus immediately. So yeah, we will be seeing the science syllabus first. So the document over here is the original syllabus, that is without the reduction. The document over here is with the reduction, that is a revised syllabus. Now let's just scroll down to class 10. Here, yeah, and here. So we have chemistry first. So just let me just tell you one thing, guys. If there is any change, I will be highlighting the change as well as a chapter name that has a change. And if there are no changes in the chapter, I will not be doing anything on the document over here. So I will be doing all the annotations in the original science syllabus. So one more thing, you can just look at the name over here if you have any doubt as to which is a revised and which is a non-revised syllabus. Now the first chapter, if you see, it has no changes, that is chemical equations and reactions, or I think it's the other way around, it's chemical reactions and equations. The second chapter, that is acids, bases and salts, also does not have any change. The change is in the third chapter, starts in the third chapter. Properties of metals and non-metals, reactivity series, formation and properties of ionic compounds. Properties of metals and non-metals, reactivity series, formation and properties of ionic compounds. Till here it is the same, but the change starts here, guys. Basic metallurgical processes and corrosion and its prevention. That is what is deleted. I'm just highlighting the deleted part as well as the chapter name. So that's all the way from enrichment of ores till corrosion and its prevention. So that is what is deleted in the third chapter. Now the fourth chapter, carbon and its compounds, it has a big paragraph of syllabus in the original syllabus document, but here it is just 2 lines. A lot has been deleted. Let's just see. Covalent bonding in carbon compounds, versatile nature of carbon and homologous series. Covalent bonding in carbon compounds, versatile nature of carbon and homologous series. So the rest is completely deleted. It's almost 3/4 of the chapter that is deleted. It's a big deletion. Yeah, almost little is left in the chapter. The fifth chapter, periodic classification of elements, has no change, you can see. So summarizing, chemistry, third and fourth chapter has some changes with major change in the fourth chapter. Now let's just scroll down to biology. We will be only seeing the first few chapters of biology here now, and we'll come to the rest later. So life processes, the first chapter has no changes, you can see. The big change is in the second chapter. The whole chapter has been deleted. So yeah, you can search it wherever you want. You will not find the chapter at all in the revised syllabus. So yeah, the whole chapter is deleted. The third chapter, that is how do organisms reproduce, the chapter has no changes. Heredity and evolution, the fourth chapter. There is a change over here, and it's quite noticeable with the name itself. It's heredity and evolution originally. Here it is just heredity. The whole topic of basic concepts of evolution has been deleted. The rest is the same, that is Mendel's law, the ratio, and things like that. All of that is the same, but all the concepts of evolution has been removed. It's almost 8 or 9 pages. Now we will be seeing the rest of the biology chapters later. Let's move on to physics. Now physics, the name has not been shown properly, so you can just refer to this over here because this is more important, the revised syllabus. So from here to here is the first chapter, lens, reflection and refraction. In that there is no change. This is the second chapter over here, that is human eye and the colorful world. There is a change over here. You can see there is only refraction of light through a prism till daily life. Here it is there, but this whole thing has been removed. That is functioning of lens in human eye, structure of human eye, effects of vision, power of accommodation and things like that. Now moving on to the third chapter, electricity. There is no change in the chapter, you can check it yourself. In the fourth chapter, magnetic effects of electric current, there is a small change. That last two topics in the NCERT book, that is electric generator and domestic electric circuits, both of these topics have been deleted. There is just 2-3 pages. So all the way from here to here has been deleted. It's not a real big change in this chapter. The human eye and the colorful world, almost half has been, or 1/4 has been removed. Now actually there's a fifth chapter in physics, that is sources of energy, but wherever you search in the revised syllabus you will not find it. That's whole because the whole chapter is deleted. Now that's for physics. Summarizing, the human eye and the colorful world chapter has some reduction. The magnetic effects of electric current has also a little bit of reduction, and the sources of energy, a whole chapter has been deleted. Now moving on to the rest of the bio, that is chapter 15 and chapter 16, our environment and management of natural resources. Now our environment is there over here in the revised or renewed syllabus, but this chapter is not there, as you can see in this section. But if you move down a little bit, you will be able to see that the chapter is there, but it is under only for internal assessment. So basically this chapter will come in your school exams. It is basically for the 20 marks, that is the internals, and that may be in the form of periodic test, it may be in form of portfolio, and it may be even part of an activity or assignment. It all depends upon your school, and yeah, the choice the school makes, that's what they're gonna do with this chapter. So summarizing the whole thing, guys, chemistry has changes in chapter 3 and chapter 4. Biology has changes in the second chapter, the whole chapter is deleted. Then fourth chapter, evolution, has been deleted, and then the sixth chapter, that is management of natural resources, has been moved to only internal assessment, and it will not come in your board. Coming to physics, the human eye in the colorful world has some reduction. Magnetic effects of electric current has some reduction, and sources of energy has been completely deleted. So that's the changes for science, guys. That's it, and we will be moving on to the next subject, and we'll be doing the same highlighting work so that it's easier. And all the files that are shown in this video, you can find it in the description box below, so you can check that out if you need it for reference. And yeah, let's move on to the next subject. Okay, so now we will be seeing the English syllabus. So this is the 2019-20 syllabus. This is the revised or rationalized syllabus for this year. Let's just scroll down to the literature part for class 10 first. We'll go through the literature. And one change CBSE has made in the syllabus, in the format of the syllabus, is that in the revised one, they're just giving the names of the chapters that are deleted and not the ones that will come for the board exam. So do not make that mistake of just studying these 8 chapters which is there in the syllabus, because that's what is deleted, and in other subjects whatever is written in the syllabus is what actually comes for the board exam. It's a little opposite in the case of English because of the large number of prose and poems in both the books. So yeah, we have 8 chapters deleted, of which 4 are poems. We have How to Tell Wild Animals, Trees, Fog, For, and Gregory, which are poems. All are in the First Flight book, which are deleted. Mitchell the Otter is the only prose which is deleted from the First Flight book. Then we have 3 proses from the Footprints Without Feet or the supplementary reader, which is deleted. So let's go and mark that here. How to Tell Wild Animals is deleted. The trees was actually a little confusing poem. It's kind of good. Then Fog is deleted. It was a simple poem, small one, but I guess because it's easy, they deleted it actually. Then For and Gregory. Now let's just mark Mitchell the Otter, the only prose deleted from First Flight book. Scroll down to the supplementary reader. The Midnight Visitor as well as A Question of Trust has been deleted. Both were interesting. And then the last 10th chapter of the book that saved the earth. So guys, that's a deletion for literature. So summarizing, Mitchell the Otter, The Midnight Visitor, A Question of Trust, The Book That Saved the Earth. 4 proses deleted. How to Tell Wild Animals, The Trees, Fog, For, and Gregory. These 4 poems has been deleted. Now let's move on to the grammar part and see what are the changes in grammar. So we have the grammar over here, and here we have the grammar. So here actually they've given it separately what is deleted and what is not deleted. Okay, so it's separately written, not just the ones that are deleted. So we have tenses, we have modals, but we do not have the use of passive voice. So we are just going to highlight that up. Then we have the subject verb concord. We do have that. Reporting commands and request statements, questions. We have the reported speech. We do not have the whole topic of clauses. The whole topic has been deleted. And then we do not have prepositions. Determiners are there. So 3 grammar topics has been deleted. And then we have editing or omission. That has always been in the exam. So yeah, sentence reordering, editing or omission, and gap filling. These are some of the common things that always come, and since there is nothing mentioned about the deletion of them at all in this, let's just consider that it has not been deleted for the better sake. So that's a deletion for English, guys. 3 grammar topics, 8 chapters, 4 prose, 4 poems, and yeah, that's it. There are no changes for the writing as well as the section A, that is the unseen passage and stuff. So there are no deletions there. There are only deletions in section C and section D, that is the literature and grammar. So yeah, with that, let's move on to the next subject. Okay, now we will be looking at the math syllabus. So this is the original pre-COVID 2020-21 syllabus, and this is the revised one over here. So scrolling down to class 10, actually the deletion for class 10 is quite disappointing, considering that there is no chapter deletion and only like very small topics has been deleted, actually like really small topics and not many concepts. Now moving on to the first chapter, real numbers, we have a deletion in real numbers, and like in science, and now you will be seeing in social science, we will be highlighting the chapter name along with the deletion. So Euclid's division lemma has been deleted. Then there is no other deletion in this chapter at all. It's the same all the way from fundamental theorem of arithmetic till decimal representation. It will be there. Now the second chapter, polynomials, has a deletion, and that is statement and simple problems on division algorithm, which is a word kind of problems, and that's the case with most of the chapters where like the word problems, situational problems, real life problems, they have been deleted. But yeah, there have been some chapters with exceptions like pair of linear equations in two variables. There is simple problems on equations, reducible and simple situational problems. It has not been deleted. The only deletion is by cross multiplication method. So you don't have to solve equations using the cross multiplication method. Now quadratic equations, there is a deletion, and here also it's the word problems, kind of situational problems, which has been deleted like most of the chapters, as I told before. Now moving on to chapter 5, arithmetic progressions also has the same deletion of daily life problems. It also has been deleted. So basically all the way from exercise 5.3, your 15th sum to 20th sum, it will be deleted. Now coming to coordinate geometry, a concept has been deleted, area of triangle. It's not there for the board exam. So the formula of half into x2 minus x3, that formula, anyways, it was hard to actually remember the formula, so yeah, it's good. Coming on to the sixth chapter, triangles. So for chapters like triangles and circles, they have actually given the proofs as a syllabus, so we will be looking at what all proofs has been deleted. So we have two proofs which are deleted in this chapter of triangles. That is the 7th and the 9th proof. Okay, so the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. And in a triangle, if the square on one side is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides, the angles opposite are to the first side is the right angle. You have to prove these two on the board if there was no deletion, but now you don't have to. The chapter circles does not have any deletion. The same two proofs are there. No deletion. The chapter circles. Constructions has a deletion. That is construction of a triangle. Now that has been deleted completely, and it was a little big. Now coming to trigonometry, there is a deletion in trigonometry. To be specific, two concepts: motivating ratios, which are defined at 0 and 90 degrees, and trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So you may think that this is a separate chapter, but no. Trigonometric identities comes under the same first chapter, that is 8th chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry. It is not different. Now, as this syllabus is actually sent for teachers, but it's also used for decoding by students, it is written as motivate. Otherwise, it has no other meaning in the syllabus. It's just for teachers to tell that you have to motivate the students in some way to learn these ratios which are defined at 0 and 90, but yeah, it's not there, so good. Chapter 9, that is, this is chapter 9, which is some applications of trigonometry. That has no deletion at all. Now moving on to the areas related to circles, if you read and go through this big paragraph, you can see that there is no deletion. Sadly, surface areas and volumes, there is a small deletion of a concept, frustum of a cone. That is basically the cone without the top tip part, and that has been deleted. Now coming to the last two chapters, statistics and probability. So let's look at probability first. If you look at it carefully, there is no deletion at all. So yeah, in statistics we have a deletion of the step deviation method. You can see here, to be avoided. So yeah, anyway, the bimodal was always removed. The step deviation has also been removed. Now, as we cannot highlight it over here, I'm just gonna write it over here. So just give me a second, guys. So yeah, we are just gonna write that down. So we do not have the step deviation method. I hope my handwriting is clear. I really don't know. So actually that formula was quite big, making the tabular column for the whole thing. It was actually a little difficult because you had to find so many things, UI, DI and all of that, and now it's deleted. So yeah, so we have a deletion in statistics. I'm just gonna highlight that also. So summarizing guys, we have small deletions here and there. Real numbers, Euclid's division lemma, polynomials, word problems, pair of linear equations, cross multiplication, quadratic equations, situational problems, arithmetic progression, also daily life problems. Coordinate geometry, we do not have area of triangle. In the chapter 6 triangles, 2 proofs has been deleted. Circles has no deletion. Constructions, triangles construction is deleted. Introduction to trigonometry, ratios defined at 0 and 90 and trigonometric ratios of complementary angles has been deleted. Then frustum of a cone has been deleted in surface areas and volume. And lastly, in statistics, the step deviation method has been deleted. So those are the changes in the math syllabus guys. So anyways, you will be finding the documents in the description box if you need it. It'll be in the same format, the highlighted format. You can find both the documents for your reference. And yeah, now let's move on to the last subject, social science. And it's gonna be actually interesting and quite kind of happy for most of the people over there. So let's move on. Okay, so now we will be seeing the social science syllabus reduction. So this is the original 2020-21 syllabus and this is the revised syllabus. And guys, actually you all are going to be happy with the syllabus reduction because like a lot has been deleted. Almost like 8 or 9 chapters has been deleted, and yeah, this is good news for a lot of people out there. And so here it is, we will be starting off with history. The first two chapters, the rise of nationalism in Europe and nationalism in India, there is no change. Both of these chapters will come for your board exam. And moving down to the third and the fourth chapter, there is a small tweak over here. These two chapters are deleted for the board exam, but they can come for your periodic tests. So the theory will come for your periodic test, but it will not come in your board exam. And even for your periodic test, only one of the lessons will come. Not both, only one of them will come, and which comes, it depends upon your school. If your school chooses making of a global world, then that will come in your periodic test, and if the school chooses age of industrialization, then only this will come and not the making of a global world. Now moving on, the fifth chapter has been completely deleted, print culture and the modern world. It will not come for your board exam or periodic test. So that is for history, only 2 lessons for your board and one of the lesson that is out of the third and the fourth lesson, one of them will come for your periodic test alone. Now geography, the first chapter resources and development, there is no change. The second chapter, forest and wildlife, it was originally supposed to come only in the periodic test, but now even that will not happen because it's completely deleted. Now the third chapter, water resources, there is a small tweak here. It is written the theoretical aspect of this chapter will be assessed in the periodic test. So this was original. But now the theoretical aspect will not be assessed in periodic test as well as the board exam. Only the map from this chapter will come in the board exam. So only the maps will come for the board exam. So because only the maps are coming for the board exam, I'm gonna mark it in a different color. Let's say light blue, because only the map is coming. and no theory will come. Now agriculture, there is no change at all. You can see the same. Now minerals originally was supposed to come in your board exam, full chapter was supposed to come, but now the theoretical aspect of this chapter will not be assessed in periodic test as well as board. Only map items will come, similar to the water resource chapter. Only the map items will come. Now manufacturing industry, there is no deletion. Both of them will come. The whole topic will come. Then lifeline of national economy also does not have any deletion. So basically in geography, one chapter has been deleted and two chapters theory has been deleted, but the map items will come for your board exam and periodic test. Now coming on to democratic politics, here is where most the reduction has happened. A lot of chapters has been deleted from here. Now power sharing and federalism, there is no change at all. This is mostly because most of the schools must have completed these two chapters by now, and that is the whole reason. But good news starts over here. Chapter 3, chapter 4 deleted, okay, and chapter 5 is deleted. 3 chapters has been deleted from your board exam. That is chapter 3, 4 and 5, popular struggles and movement, democracy and diversity, gender, religion and caste. Now political parties will come for your board exam and there's no change in the topics of the chapter. Outcomes of democracy also will come for your board exam and there is no change in the topics. But 8th chapter has been deleted. Challenges to democracy, the whole chapter has been deleted. It was supposed to be only in your periodic test and not in board. Now that is also deleted. So in democratic politics, we have 4 chapters and almost 4 chapters has been deleted. So it's like equal deletion and equal keeping back. So coming to economics development, the first chapter is there. Second chapter, sectors of the Indian economy is there. Third chapter, money and credit is also there. But it actually ends with the 4th chapter. So the 4th chapter, globalization and the Indian economy is there, but chapter 5 is not there. Now here you can see chapter 5 is to be done as project work and it is the same over here, consumer awareness for the project work. So there is no change in the economic syllabus compared to the original pre-COVID and the revised one for economics. So that you can just make a note of it, and it looks a little different. I'm just gonna highlight it over there a little differently. You can see the same project where there's no other changes. And yeah, that's the deletion in social science. From 25 chapters, they have deleted like so many that it has become now 14 plus 2. That is 14 chapters, both theory and the maps or whatever for a board, and 2 chapters only map will come for your board. Then we have other chapters which will come for periodic test, but we're not including it in the number of the chapters because board is the one that is main. So summarizing, we have 2 chapters. First 2 chapters of history are there. Third or fourth will come for your periodic test but not board. Fifth is deleted. In geography, first chapter is there, second is deleted, third only map will come for board, fourth is there, fifth only map will come for the board, sixth and seventh will be there in your board. Democratic politics, first and second is there, third, fourth, fifth and eighth is deleted, and sixth and seventh will be there for your board exam. Now in economics, first, second, third and fourth will be there for board, and the fifth chapter will be there as a project work, that is for internal assessment. So that's the deletion for the social science, guys. And yeah, it's quite a big deletion for social science, but it's good. And yeah, that's it, guys. With this, the reduction in syllabus has come to an end. And do let me know about your thoughts as to whether this is a good reduction, of good amount of reduction, or do you think this reduction is actually good, or it's gonna have some side effects and things like that in the comment section below. And yeah, with this I would like to wrap up the video. I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button and share the video with your friends so that they can also be benefited from it.
If you're new here, consider hitting the red subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as we publish videos. All the files that were there in this video will be available in the description box below, so do check that out. Also, do let us know about your thoughts on the syllabus reduction as to whether they are good or bad in the comment section below. So, yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you liked it, and bye for now.